In this video, I'm going to show you how to export to Google Sheets in monday.com. So what you'll need to do is simply go to the board that you want to export it to Google Sheets. As an example for me, I'm going to this board. So what I'll have to do is simply go to the top right corner. You'll find the three dots or options. Go and click on that. Once you do so, you should find this. Just go and hover more actions. Here you should find export board to Excel. So just go and click on that. Once you do so, you should find this. And as you can see in here, you'll be able to include any updates or email you yourself, as example, a copy. For me, I don't want any of those, so I'm just going to click on export. So once I do so, I'll be able to download the file. Here's it. I'm just going to save it, and I'm going to open Sheets. So I'm opening here a new Sheets. And all I need to do now is simply go and get like my file and upload it here. So I'm just going to do so. First, let me just go and do like, let me just go and do it again. Like this. And just go and click on yes, example. Oh, sorry, I'll have to upload it to Drive. So I'm just going to, here's an example. I'm just going to click new, like file upload. And simply I'm going to choose like this file. And once it is uploaded, I can just go back here to Sheet, just refresh, and I should find this. I can just go and open it. And here we are. We exported, as you can see, to Google Sheets without any problems. So that's about it. That's how you export like to Google Sheets from Monday. If you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out.